you observe this stock, it's given 55% momentum in just few months time. In today's video, by using Ichimoku trading system, let's decode one of the best trading system to capture the big moves. So let me add the indicator first. The Ichimoku is a combination of 5 indicators. We'll go to the settings and we'll disable few indicators. The first one is conversion line. In Japanese language, we call it as a Tenkan-sen. And baseline is the second indicator. We call it as a Kijun-sen. Lagging span is also called as a Chikou span. Leading span A, leading span B, we call it as a SSA, SSB in Japanese language. For today's video, we want only conversion line and baseline. Remaining 3 indicators, which is lagging span, leading span A, leading span B, and the flat background, which is the combination of span A, span B, and it's not a indicator. So we'll disable all these things. We'll just untick that and click on OK. Now only 2 indicators got enabled, which is Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. Tenkan-sen is a fast moving and Kijun-sen is a slow moving. The blue line which you see here, it's a fast moving, call it as a Tenkan-sen or conversion line. And the red line which you observe here, this is a Kijun-sen or a baseline. Now let's understand the strategy conditions. Tenkan-sen should cross the above Kijun-sen, which is the blue line crosses above the red line is where we mark our point. Once the Tenkan-sen crosses above Kijun-sen, immediately mark the lowest point. Let's say, for example, in this candle we got a breakout. So immediately what we will do is we mark the lowest point of that particular move. And after few days, let's say in a 2 days or 3 days time, the price started for the retracement. Immediately we mark our highest point. So what we need is after the breakout, at least 15 to 20 days time, the price should accumulate here. I'll tell you the logic why we are expecting the accumulation in this zone. So Tenkan-sen crosses above Kijun-sen based on the Ichimoku analysis. We call it as a golden crossover or a bias control or bias sentiment will start in next few days time. Once the bias sentiment is confirmed, then price started accumulating. So big guys or institutional investors, they're trying to collect the liquidity by keeping the prices in the accumulation phase. So if any stock gives a breakout of the Ichimoku or a golden crossover of the Ichimoku, there are 3 scenarios. Immediately the price will go higher high, higher low, higher high, immediate impulsive move. Or the second scenario is the price will come for the immediate downfall. So we ignore both the scenarios. We want the price should accumulate exactly in between that highest point and the lowest point. In between 15 to 20 days, we need the accumulation. Then where we will take our entry point, exactly the breakout candle of that accumulation. After 15 to 20 days, the price started accumulating, and once that accumulation phase, the highest point of that accumulation gives a breakout, the candle should close above that level. There we'll take our entry and we keep the lowest point of that particular move is our stop loss. And always remember, risk and reward is 1:4. So we keep 1:4 as our reward, and as soon as it hit the 1:4 reward, we book our profit and we come out from the stock. You can see here this stock exactly hit the 1:4 reward. So if you look at another example, exactly here we got the Tenkan-sen crossing above Kijun-sen. At the same time, we mark the highest point. So this is our highest point and we mark our lowest point. This is our lowest point. In between, the price started accumulating. Exactly this one what you see here. So 15 to 20 days of time, the prices started accumulating. We place our entry, breakout candle of that accumulation point exactly here, and we keep the lowest point of that particular move as our stop loss. And also we keep the target 1:4. We expect the target 1:4 from that particular stock. You can see here exactly it achieved the 1:4 target. This strategy gives very good accuracy in higher time frames. The reason is very simple. Institutions wants to collect the liquidity of, let's say, 100 CR or 500 CR worth of shares. So they can't collect it in intraday time frames. So they need at least a few days time to collect the entire liquidity before taking the prices to the higher side. So that's the reason this strategy always works amazing in higher time frames. The minimum time frame is daily, weekly, monthly. This strategy gives you very good accuracy. Now the question here is, how do we identify which stock is creating a Tenkan-sen crossing above Kijun-sen along with the buying candle with the accumulation? So for that, I have developed a scanner. Just one single click, the scanner get executed and you will identify the stock, which stock the Tenkan-sen crossing above Kijun-sen along with the buying candle. So scanner always helps us to identify a stock. So manual identification becomes very difficult even though we have a very good trading strategy, but unfortunately we don't know screener or we don't have knowledge of screener. So then we give up that strategy because of the complexity of identifying manually. So that's the reason I have developed a scanner for it, and just one single click the scanner get executed and which stock is giving a Tenkan-sen crossing above Kijun-sen along with a buying candle. So if any of you looking for the complete strategy recording along with the scanner link, you can contact me on this number. Definitely I'll share with you guys. Thank you so much. I wish you all the very best for your equity trading journey.